if someone not related to your child just assumes custody of your kid, right? Sounds perfectly acceptable and normal, yeah? No. Well, the California legislature thinks so. They're trying to make it law by pushing AB 495, the very deceptively named Family Preparedness Plan Act. Please share this video with everyone you know. I'm going to break down the basics and tell you what you can do about it. But hold on to something, friends. This isn't hyperbole. AB 495, moving its way right on up the legislative ladder in California at the moment, is a bill that expands the use of caregivers' authorization affidavits, allowing non-relative extended family members to assume control over a child without court review or parental consent. It's obviously raising major concerns having to do with parental rights, child safety, and privacy. The bill is being called a traffickers and kidnappers dream bill, as it provides a potential for abuse with lack of oversight for protection of children. So how does this work? A relative or even non-relative extended family member, or just a random person claiming to be Uncle so-and-so, can show up, hand over a signed affidavit to a child's school or staff of your child's daycare or childcare and take custody of that child. It doesn't require any legal process beyond this. No court order, no background check, no verification of the relation of this person to the child he or she is trying to take. And it doesn't require any consent or communication with the parent or legal guardian of the child. The bill states a parent's signature or a seal or signature from a court is not required. A person who relies on the affidavit has no obligation to make any further inquiry or investigation. If AB 495 is signed into law, you can steal a child. No safeguards, no process, no checking of an ID. A stranger can kidnap a child under this law. And friends, I'm so sorry, it gets worse. The bill also states a caregiver who is a relative or non-relative extended family member shall have the same rights to authorize medical and dental care for that minor that are given to guardians. Okay. So the purpose of this was to be able to place children with relatives should parents be processed for deportation and decide not to take the children with them or the child with them. But this is a fantastic overreach that places a state full of children at risk, as opposed to keeping it within the immigration and customs systems and processes where it would be available with a much better vetting, please, to those being deported who would need this available to them. Allowing this statewide puts millions of children at risk. There's a rally Tuesday, August 19th at 1 p.m. on the west steps of the state capitol in Sacramento to oppose this bill. The California Family Council has more great info on this at californiafamily.org, and call your assembly person about this. AB 495 is the epitome of dangerous legislation, so call and email. You can find your assembly member at assembly.ca.gov. All right, guys, those are your basics for now. Make sure you're following me for more.